Okwaba about official top image my so. Ne video metro kwanya bafaso be create bank accounts in a simple way. Be create GCB bank accounts. Before so be create our GCB bank accounts no. The requirement abe they will be here and sana why dey. What my create is our bank accounts way. First of all, so then we download the software abe boa my why dey. What my add to process no so and sana create we create our bank accounts no. Software no first one here we Microsoft Word na Adobe Converter. So software ni na benya free Play Store, Google Play Store and App Store. You want download we no before I say be share video answer no. But before requirement we mount I say I dey share video answer. First of all no requirement na be here no. First one one passport size. Second one residential approval. Third one valid photo identity. Na be initial amount of 80 cedis. So the better verify our account no. The account will be my active and I say benye dey be fan to dormant. Ti enye dem if you home na I start video na en go through process na be so I dey be create account no. Make I say simple ma obe create account na simple no. See first ka obe the phone obe to my other phone be ya obe download this software me na me kan no. We Microsoft Word na we Adobe Reader, Adobe Converter and Adobe Reader. Obe download do I or Play Store. But me say me the simple way no. Me the forms no video or me the forms no I how to video description as to with my link in our video description as na dey. Why they? We dey download the forms no online. We download the forms no we are. Now why they are printing. To print we are. Now open the forms no we are. Now the pen. Now why they? We fill the forms na making sure say forms no we know. You all fill no the original. Na say say original resident. And I say they any one kasa wa unhundie. Original. She said, we dey one fill we no. I say they are come by the scanning by the PDF file. When the PDF file we are now me the number be there about two video na see. See me the number not to video na see and I say me the number about to video description na see and I say comment section na see. Two first number na now ko WhatsApp. Two ko WhatsApp na. Now dey what save number no. O save number na now send the PDF file no. Ne o scan ya no. Forms no. Why they o send them on. To send my number now, me the two video description as well. Or send the forms to now. Now why do I send the passport now? Requirement now be here come on. Why do I send the amount? See, who send my baby scanner, baby deposit number amount data accounts where the create accounts number. Follow top image or Facebook, go YouTube or subscribe on any videos I make or Ghana hire. Say the post video. Now I'm chatting and I say, the question now chatting. Leave it to comment section as they reply as soon as possible. Follow for more videos. Check on the screen for more videos like this. Bye for now.